Within 2 weeks, I was able to accumulate as much as 500 plus subscribers using YouTube Shorts, okay? Uploading it the right way, doing the necessary editing you need to do, and then uploading it on your YouTube Shorts. Guys, this worked like magic, okay? Do not go anywhere because I'm going to give you in details and step-by-step process in doing this. Now, you need to get certain apps on your phone. The first is InSaver, CapCut, InShot, okay? These 3 apps will help you to be able to do this effectively without getting any copyright claim on your channel, okay? If you're someone who has already achieved your 4,000 watch hours and your major headache now is your subscribers to be able to get monetized, then please, this is the right thing for you to do, okay? Upload your shorts, get your subscribers, and after you can decide to delete the shorts or leave them on your channel once you do not have any copyright strike on them, okay? So let's dive into this. I'm going to give you step-by-step details.
Okay, so as you are seeing here, I thank God I have the record here even though the video has been deleted. Okay, I deleted the video once I achieved my purpose or my targets. Okay, so as you can see, the views I had on each of the videos I posted, because I deleted the video will not show, but then the views I had, look at this, 17k views on just one video. You see, 16k views on one video. This is no joke. 12k views, and my highest view on a video was about 40 something k views. Okay, this trick works. Okay, and each of the video I gain subscribers on it. Okay, some of the videos I had 50 subscribers, others 30, others 100. You know, it depends on the kind of video I post. This worked like magic. Trust me. I want you to try this. Do it the right way and you're going to get results. I want you to try this and then come back and comment in the comment section whether it worked for you or not. You see, it really worked for me. Okay. So we are going to use InSaver. So that's the InSaver on top, and then Instagram. So InSaver is what we are going to use to download from Instagram. So first of all, we are going to open our Instagram, and then we go to the search button down there. Okay, when you go to the search button, you are going to see lots of videos, viral videos there. You choose the one that is okay for you. Okay, it shouldn't be something that violates YouTube's guidelines. So it should be something that people will be like people would want to watch, something that people would want to watch just by seeing the caption or something. They will want to click on it and watch. All right, so let's scroll through this. Let me see the video I can get. There are lots of videos here. Okay, there are lots of videos here. So but then you have to edit it. That's why we will use the CapCut to edit it. So let's choose one video. I think this standing cuts, something like this, people would like to watch. So we are going to download this. So you see the arrow sign there. We are going to click on the arrow sign down there. When you click on it, you see the copy link. You click on the copy link, it will take like this, correct? Then you go back, or you can just click home, and then you go to your InSaver. The moment you open InSaver, it will start downloading. Okay, the moment you open InSaver, it will start downloading by itself. There may be ads playing along the way, but then it will download. All right, now it's fully downloaded. So when you go to your gallery, you see it there. Normally I choose videos that doesn't have captions so that I can easily write something in there to make it mine. You understand? Or if you choose a video that has captions in it, some writings in it, then you have to write something to cover those things so that the video can be something like it's your own video, it's an edited video, not a raw video you picked from somewhere. So anytime you download the video, make sure you edit it. We are going to use our CapCut to edit it. So I'll write something on top, but then before I write something on top, you need to check the orientation or the aspect ratio. It should be 9:16, like Instagram post. You know, this is short, okay, it's not long form video. All right, so when we do that, then we highlight the video and then decrease the volume to 0. Reduce the volume to 0, you understand? We don't want to get any copyright strike, so we reduce the volume to 0 so that nothing will play. Anything they are saying in the video will not be heard. So in that way we will be safe. And I'm not going to add any music to it. I'll just leave it like that. This is very short. It's about 12 seconds video. Yeah. So I write my caption. These cats can fight. So that's the caption I wrote. And you see at the end of the video there is CapCut's watermark. So you have to click on the watermark. Just click on the CapCut. You see delete down there. Then you click on delete. It's going to go off. You don't have to upload it with a watermark on it, okay? So that's how to delete the watermark at the end of CapCut. And you are free to go. So with this, we are done, and we can save. Once it's saved, we can upload it into our YouTube Shorts, and then put in the tags and the captions and the hashtags and all that. And then let's see how it's going to be. As you can see, it's downloaded. So we are going to upload it into our Shorts. So you just log into your YouTube and then add your Shorts. If you have any video, any sound you've saved and you think that sound will go with this video, you can decide to add it back. If not, to avoid any copyright strike or anything, just leave it like this. With this, you're not going to get any issue. So I just post it like this and then add my tags, my hashtags, captions, and do all the necessary things I need to do. Always remember to the location, visibility, and then audience and all that. Make sure you put in the things you need to put in, okay? The audience, always choose not made for kids. All right, choose not made for kids, and then you put in the rest. All right. So when you're done with everything, you post, okay? You post, and that'll be it. It's on public. The audience too, I chose not made for kids. So when you do this, just let it be, okay? One by one, you see that it will be going viral. So day 1 of posting this short, and I have 554 views already and 3 interactions. Guys, this has worked, and trust me, these are the comments, these are the interactions people have made seeing this video. Okay, this will work, so please try it and let me see the outcome. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.